Noah, what's wrong with your dog? Well, Hezekiah, here's a long story. Well, Maisie has a rough day. I tried feeding him. I tried petting him. I tried walking with her. But it just didn't work. All she does was spinning in all the rotations. And how long is she been doing this for? Probably like 17 hours. She's been doing this whole time without asking no one? Yeah. But how are you not expecting that? Oh, right. Well, I should have gone pet her in the first place. Maybe it's like 4 years or something. Maybe 5.
Bird up.